Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Motorsoul. Hope you guys are doing well. So, this is the Ather 450X. I normally don't ride electric scooters or motorcycles. I'm mostly into two strokes, but I rented this out for a week and have ridden about 240 kilometers. And I feel this electric scooter is amazing at what it does. Love the warp mode. The brakes and everything are top notch. So this is the touch display. You have maps here. It has done about 14,000 kilometers. This is the boot space, the charger in here. People like me are not really into electric scooters because we love the engines and how it sounds. So this is the warp mode, the fastest mode in the scooter. And it's very quick if you compare it with any petrol scooter or a petrol motorcycle. It's very quick. The acceleration is just amazing. Sure, it doesn't sound as good as the petrol scooter or a petrol motorcycle, but when you get onto the scooter, you don't feel that it's a scooter, you feel it's a motorcycle. It just loves speed in this mode. And Ather newly launched the Apex, which has Warp Plus as well. So I didn't get a chance to ride that, but that is more powerful it seems. तो नॉर्मली मेरे पास अपने पास इलेक्ट्रिक अपन चलाते नहीं, अपने को इलेक्ट्रिक उतनी पसंद नहीं है, बट वही चेक करने के लिए ये गाड़ी लिया था मैं रेंट पे. एंड आई एम सरप्राइज दैट Ather has designed such a good scooter that doesn't feel like a scooter once you get riding. It's very quick. 50, 60, 70 तो ऐसा आराम से पकड़ लेते. There are a lot of good things about the scooter. Now generally before riding the scooter, I was not expecting it to be this good or well engineered. The confidence that you get on the scooter is of next level. Even at speeds above 70, you feel the scooter is very well planted. The brakes are amazing. I'm not sure why the other ICE scooters don't have this kind of good grip, good brakes. The brakes are really good for the kind of power that this scooter makes. And in normal ICE scooters, you have clutch, you have so many things. Petrol needs to burn, and then there are a couple of things that take control of the acceleration, etc. But in electric, there are far more or less moving parts, एंड उसकी वजह से बहुत ये स्कूटर बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ दिखती. खाली एक्सीलेटर देते ही ख़त्म, एक्सीलेटर दिए तो ख़त्म, चले आती जहाँ ऐसा दिखता ही नहीं कि अपन जा रहे. एंड बिकॉज दिस स्कूटर इज़ सो साइलेंट, you also don't feel the speeds that you're going. You need to get used to it. And after riding for about 200 plus kilometers over a period of 7 days, I used this bike for this scooter for just city commutes, city stuff, grocery jana, market jana. That's what I got the scooter for. But I wanted to experience the electric scooter thing. I love the warp mode. Sport mode is also very good, and I also don't. I mean, it's not just the performance that I love. I also love the traffic riding and everything. इसमें कैसा है in the traffic, it's you have a lot more control, unlike the IC scooters. Now, once you ride the scooter, only you'll understand how much of a difference it makes. Like for example, this is the auto hold feature, so the bike won't go on a slope, it won't roll back. This is the auto hold, and this is how much control you have over the throttle. ऐसा दिखता गाड़ी लिटरली कोई ढकल रहे. It's that precise and it's very responsive. In an ICE scooter, you cannot ride like this because you either have a speed of 8 or to 10, or you just stand still. So इसमें बहुत slow चला सकते. So traffic में it's like someone is just pushing a bike. So you have this much of control in traffic, and this is very, very, very convenient for traffic riding. Yes, range anxiety is there. Range anxiety is there. You have range issues. Like for example, in the walk mode, the scooter is at 89% and you just have 62 kilometers to go. So that's a problem if you are not planning your commute, or you're not planning where you are going. Once the range goes to 200 kilometers, I think the scooters will make more sense. Abhi ke liye to it's far too less. And also, I don't think you save a lot of money on EVs. I mean, it's like you save it in the charging, you don't spend on petrol, but once in a while the service cost and the cost of replacing the battery will be far more expensive than the petrol thing, or at least equal to the petrol thing. तो मैं तो ये बोलता हूँ कि अगर इलेक्ट्रिक ले रहे हैं तो शौक को लेना for the power, for the convenience and for the new tech that we have, क्योंकि new tech is always expensive. हल्लू हल्लू जैसा ये evolve होती, it will get better, you will have better far more better range, far more better features. Now the Ather Apex also has the magic grip technology, so in that case you can slow down with the opposite throttle. And I mean, अभी इसमें ऐसा दिए तो अपन एक्सीलरेटर दे रहे ना, ऐसा दिए तो it will come to a stop. You don't need brakes for it. And I also like how the sound, the motor sounds. And this is very true range. I mean, obviously you can with regeneration and everything you can extend this range, but this is very accurate. Ather has very accurate range. तो अभी के लिए तो इलेक्ट्रिक में यही है कि रेंज बहुत कम है, स्पेशली इन द वॉक मोड, द फास्टेस्ट मोड. मैं जब ये गाड़ी लिया तो आई वॉजंट होपिंग फॉर अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस. आई वॉजंट होपिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक द स्कूटर, बट आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो विथ अ वेरी हैप्पी एक्सपीरियंस. नॉर्मली मेरे को, मैं एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर रहा था इलेक्ट्रिक इतनी अच्छी रहती, बट फॉर द सिटी ट्रैफिक एंड the kind of power it makes the ICE powered motorcycles feel slow. Now I generally ride Yamaha RX100, 135, Javas and etc. But दिस फील्स वेरी पावरफुल एंड इसकी वजह से मेरे को ऐसा दिख रहा है कि मेरे को RX और दूसरे बाइक्स अब IC इंजन्स वाले पावरफुल नहीं दिखते. You just open the throttle and it will just pull off. This is the kind of power you get. So electric is fun. I don't feel it's like the only future, because even if you have fast chargers, you have a couple of people who are waiting in line to charge the scooter, so it doesn't make sense as of now. अभी एक चार्जर मतलब एक फास्ट चार्जर आउटलेट पे they only have one charger, and most of the time people are there. I didn't really use the fast charger as of now. I only charge the scooter at home. But it's a very good experience. If you haven't ridden an electric scooter, check it out. Test ride the Ather, or like me, you can rent it out if it's in your city. I feel this is a very good alternative to petrol, but it's not replaceable. पेट्रोल में सिर्फ 2 मिनट में जो टैंक फुल होता ना, एंड देन यू हैव अ रेंज ऑफ 200-300 किलोमीटर्स. दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन इन दिस काइंड ऑफ स्कूटर. इसमें चार्जिंग टाइम है एंड यू हैव रेंज एंग्जाइटी. अब फॉर एग्जांपल अब कोई मेरा दोस्त कॉल करा एंड इफ ही सेज आई एम 10 किलोमीटर्स डाउन द लेन, आई जस्ट कैन नॉट go there directly. I need to plan. I need to have a minimum charge of some kilometers so that I can come back home. नहीं तो रोड पर ढकलना पड़ता. And you don't have chargers everywhere, the fast chargers, and you also have to pay for the fast chargers. I like the touch display. I like most of the features on the scooter. Now it doesn't have a center stand. That is one thing that is concerning. I'm not sure if it has a accessory from the showroom, but this scooter doesn't have it. But it's a very good experience. मतलब बहुत मेरे को मज़ा आया, मतलब स्कूटर चला के. मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था इतना मज़ा आता, बट बहुत अच्छा है. And the software is just amazing. I couldn't connect my phone, but if you can connect the phone, that will be even better. And they also launched this Rista. Rista is a new family scooter that the Ather launched. This is the Rista on the left. So this is a family scooter. I'm not really into that kind of power. It's not made for performance. I got the Ather 450X just because of the performance. I also want to test out the Ola S1 Pro and its hyper mode. I see scooters में ऐसे ब्रेक्स रहना, क्योंकि these brakes are phenomenal. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल, मतलब ऐसा इसकी गाड़ी की स्पीड के लिए बहुत अच्छे है ये. The brakes, ride quality, and since you do not have the engine sound, मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि हर गड्ढे में बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ आती है एंड यू फील लॉट मोर नॉइज, बट it's not like that. And like I said, पैसे बचाने के लिए I wouldn't get a EV. I would always get it for the performance. Now अभी वो Rista जैसा आया, I don't like the family scooter vibe. It doesn't really have power and it's not designed for power, but 450X is designed for power only. इसमें पूरा मज़ा ही उसका है सिर्फ. So Ather is also working on a bike. I think that would make more sense. वीडियो में भी दिख रहा हूँगा, मतलब गाड़ी कितनी तेज़ है, कितनी क्विक है. इफ़ यू कंपेयर इट विथ एनी पेट्रोल स्कूटर, सिर्फ रियर व्यू मिरर में दिख सकती हो पेट्रोल स्कूटर, बट इट ऑल्सो कम्स विथ इट्स चैलेंजेस. Ather is very quick in 0 to 60, 0 to 70. That's the sweet spot. I think after that, if you want 60 to 100, I think that's where the Ola S1 Pro stands at. And I think Ather has done a very good job, especially from a company who just designs electric scooters. I think they've changed my mind. Sure, it doesn't have that beautiful engine sound or that feel of that engine, of that clutch, but it's great. मतलब motor के हिसाब से for an electric scooter, it is amazing. So this is reverse. You can go into reverse and into parking forward, so it won't go more than 5 in this mode, and in reverse it will go 3. One, two, three. That's how quick it is in the warp mode. बहुत ज़बरदस्त. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं मतलब you cannot see the torque that I can feel in this video, but it's fun to ride. Normally I don't like scooters, even the ICE ones. मजबूरी है तो चला ले रहे, but this is what fun looks like on a scooter, and this is the only scooter that I would ride for fun. और जो कॉन्फिडेंस आता ना, द राइड क्वालिटी एंड द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट इट हैज़, द सस्पेंशन ऑफ, बहुत ज़बरदस्त. मतलब इतना अच्छा एक्सपेक्ट करा नहीं था. आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू बी स्लगिश. आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग it to have bad ride quality. I was expecting it to have I was expecting it to lose confidence at higher speeds, but it's amazing at what it does. So that's about it for this video. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make more videos on electric scooters, or let me know if I should just stick to petrol engines. And that's about it. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.